I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted important emails from your Yahoo account, don't worry. Here is how to recover them step by step. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your credentials to access your inbox. Step 2. Go to the trash folder. Once you're in your inbox, look for the trash folder on the left sidebar. Click on it to view all the emails you've deleted. Step 3. Check for deleted emails. In the trash folder, scroll through the list of deleted emails. If you find the email you want to recover, select it by clicking the checkbox next to it. Step 4. Move emails back to inbox. After selecting the email, look for the Move option at the top of the page. Click it and choose Inbox to restore the email. Step 5. Use Yahoo's recovery tool if needed. If you can't find your email in the trash, you can use Yahoo's recovery tool. Go to the Yahoo Help page and follow the prompts to request recovery of deleted emails. Sometimes, emails may not be recoverable if they were deleted a long time ago, so it's best to act quickly. I hope this helps you get back your important emails.